Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today's video I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to write blog posts in minutes. Let's get started. First step, generate an outline. Type "give me an outline" for a blog post about 5 ways to save money as a student. ChatGPT will create a full structure, intro, tips, and conclusion. Then, expand each section. Type "write a detailed paragraph for tip number 1. Use student discounts." Repeat this for each tip to build a body fast. Then, add personality and keywords. Type "rewrite this in a friendly tone" and add SEO keywords for Google. ChatGPT make it blog ready fast. You can also suggest a blog title, meta description, and 3 hashtags. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.